Hello and welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. In our session today, we are subtracting a whole number and a mixed fraction by changing our whole number into its fraction form. And if you're ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So we are going to be subtracting our whole number from our mixed number rather from our whole number by changing our whole number into its mixed fraction form. And remember that to express your whole number as a fraction, we're taking our whole number, which is 9, and writing it with 1 in the denominator. And now we're going to place back our mixed fraction and begin our conversion of changing our fraction to its common denominator with 11. So the LCD for 11 and 1 will equal 11 and 1 will equal to 11. So now we're going to take our fraction and convert it into its equivalent form with 1 in the denominator. Now remember to change 1 to 11, we multiplied it to 11. And what we do to the denominator, we will do to the numerator. And now let's plug that back into our equation, replacing our 9 to the first with 9 11ths. And we're going to begin our subtraction. Okay, so now here's the funny part with working out a fraction when it's like this. Remember that if you are subtracting this particular type of fraction at this method that we're at now, you notice that we have 99/11 that is subtracting 4 and 5/5. Now we know that 4 is our whole number, and in subtracting our whole number, we do not have a whole number for our number that's in the front. So now please remember that if there isn't a whole number, then that means essentially we have 0 that's subtracting 4, and we know that we can't subtract 0 from 4 unless we're going to get a negative number, so we're not diving into any sort of integers at this point. So that means that to work out this question, what I'm now going to have to do is I'm going to have to take my mixed fraction and I'm going to have to convert it into its improper fraction form to make sure that this calculation can go off without a hitch. So my 11 times 4 will be 44, and 44 plus 5 will equal to 49/11ths. Now we can subtract because both are in similar forms, but remember that we can subtract 4 from nothing. That's essentially what it is. We can't subtract 4 from 0 because our first fraction has no whole number. 99 subtracts 49 will equal to 50/11. And we're going to convert this fraction into its mixed fraction form because we cannot leave that as is. Remember, we always change it back to its simplest form. That is something that you're going to see me do through all of the questions. I will always reduce the fraction into its simplest form. So 11 goes into 54 times. 4 times 11 is 44. 50 subtracts 44 will leave us with a difference of 6. So our mixed fraction will be 4 wholes. 6 is my numerator. That's my remainder. And 11 remain as my denominator. Okay, and there you have it. That will be a solution for this question. As always, make sure to get some additional practice in, and we'll see you right here in the next video on Joe's Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.